Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Yeah. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. No. Yeah, yeah, the time money no day you day my back, you know if you complain. Yeah, so I they come pay my bride price. Yeah, yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Girl, I they come see your parents. Yeah, yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Cause I want bumpy key with my baby. My baby, we must to marry today. We must to marry today. See, I don't go photocopy my love for my baby. Me, I go design them where take them to you so you go feel paint them for me. Show me your true color, eh? Cause the things you do me, they blow my mind though. Girl, you got me singing. No one want to baby. Oh, do you do baby? Automatic power. If you not get sick out, you're my tana, mama time. I give my love to you, the better. So I they come pay my bride price.
I don't know art.
Don't know art.
Alright.
I can see you are preferring to go out.
Yes, I'm going to a wedding.
Wedding?
Yes, they've invited me to sing. I'm a musician, don't you know that?
I have no idea you're
I'm a musician at India.
Oh, okay.
I came to Ghana to promote my music in the my music industry.
Your Indian song, you came to Ghana to promote it.
Ghana, you accept everyone.
Oh,
All I need to learn is that you sing and that's all.
Okay.
Chorusy.
It's Akwesi. You forget about that for now.
Okay.
I just want to, I hope there's no one there.
My bed and cupboard and wardrobe.
I said no one. As a
Are human being? No, nobody is there. Nobody is there.
Okay. Have you seen this beautiful lady, Helen, the fair one?
Sister Ellen?
Yes. Come.
Yeah, sure.
How long has she been married?
Sister Ellen, I think, they've married very well, you know, she married very well. I don't know how long, I'm not their family member, so, but they are married very well. She's married very well.
And do you think she's happily married?
Harkwasi, it's not that I am gossiping, but I have to tell you this. Her sister Helen he is not happy. She is not happy at all. Her husband is toxic.
How?
Her husband beat her like something, like she's valueless every day. Every
that man.
That what is it, Sarpon or what? Sarpon.
Beats Helen?
Every day, every night, every morning, every day. Why?
So what is she still doing in the marriage?
I am not Helen.
Sorry. I'm just wondering.
Yeah, sometimes, you see, there is something about we Indians. We can't sit there and watch something go wrong. Sometimes I want to retaliate, but I have anger issues. I want to retaliate, but I don't have to do that. She's not my family member. So sometimes I take it easy. But I don't know why. Why should you be beating somebody's daughter like that? Why? Every day.
I'm just surprised. Okay, this is a new shirt.
That's a new one.
Okay.
That's a new one. That's my new brand.
Yes. I'm just surprised. I wish. You understand? It's not like I'm gossiping, or it's not like I'm getting into someone's
we are not
matter.
gossiping. Yes.
I'm wondering why a beautiful woman like her will let a punk like him
maltreat her like something. If Sister Ellen was my sister, if she was my sister, Bulbul, her,
what?
You can Bulbul, my sister Bulbul. You can do this to Bulbul. Sarpong would have said something. I could have killed a lot. I could have killed. Look at me.
I understand. Calm down.
I don't want to spoil my mood.
Sorry.
Every day you beat somebody's daughter like you don't have sense.
Tie. Ono wa mekasa.
Ada me bahanye nipa mienu ne jira.
Coca-Cola.
Pass aka se nipa mienu. Why nipa kota na o me kasa krafo apampa me nwura waso no.
Meti.
Wan hwe yie. Enhu kasa. Enhu size, enhu do abekasa. Ye fa be yotai. What did they make a choice?
Ada kwa wanu bibiana. Masa.
Coca-Cola.
O Claudia won't come.
You fresh.
O Claudia won't come, masa.
You fresh. Relax. You are going to a wedding.
If this guy joke with me,
don't spoil your mood. Look at this.
What do they call it? ABOSKE or what? Hey, man, if you joke with me, I will show you something. You are very stupid. You are a stupid guy.
You are stupid.
You think I'm your boy? You are.
You
Indian Yabuda.
You know me.
What do you want? Indian Yabuda.
You're mad. Stupid guy.
The Panamokan was a madam for me. Need to say. It's me, my bet somebody who was on Nasubati.
It's my Musuasemo.
Nasubati.
I was my Musuasem. It is a Unia. Any Helena said, Bahu Kayan crowd. A bear on it.
Who will you stand there one day?
I am a day, and you may bet or Domo and I'll so mammy.
Where Papa?
He's something.
What do you have very short to sell side? Two canyons are some.
Yawalo and Gaffney, Yabamo, Kokana. What's that? I'm
telling you, ABOSKE or whatever.
Make any fun of bar. Now, so Betsy.
Take your time. You see, today I'm going for a wedding, so I don't have to spoil my mood. I bet you, I swear, my God of worship, if you come to me and do this foolishness again, I will show you the best side of me. Stupid guy.
Don't waste your energy on this.
Foolish guy like you.
Don't waste your energy on this.
You know what I'm capable of? You are mad.
Oh, you.
That's why Indian in Tinaniaji. Masa, Aday.
And I didn't Bob Tamu the Massam Bottom. The Bob Tamu the Massam Bottom.
Look at his dancing crown like this.
Papa,
now, dear, one can say my boy what that I don't have Tom track you.
Hey, just trap. You have to.
Whoa.
But then I forgot.
I don't know how this size of people want to back on us.
It's true, because we are gossiping too much.
I told you this is not gossip.
We are gossiping. Why is he? Your problem, your problem. Why? So you came from your place to me to gossip, right?
Not see, Bahu, this is not gossip.
But what is it?
I'm trying to get to know everybody in this house.
I know you are not the landlord.
You could even become my friend. Who knows?
You are going to see.
It's hard question.
I don't like your friend. Good friend.
Hello. I thought so.
Me mad at me no what.
From the one make us, that's how you see. Can be problem here. This one. What is wrong with you and Ukunu? What is happening?
Me so far meet you. Me kuna something other friend in the now. How does that concern you? I know I found Ben. Me busa found Ben.
Who's a mechanic? I thought so many years ago. Look at the way you're talking.
Yeah, me no near some, but say a bufu so be baba friend, me busa me kuna some.
Really?
Yeah, now win him say a bufu.
You think I could just be there unconcerned with your question, you know?
Me no na me muso asem. E di enti na obe ha dan ofi ase.
Menye ejuma fufu. I ben me same me former place. That's why I rented here. So then I no. We do not coupon at all. Why I didn't even know you live here. Meaning posa what to help. So what to help her? I won't even come and rent here. Helen, I'm just concerned about you. I have me when I see the torture. When I see my heart bleeds.
Daddy, call worry be. I am one settle now, can't worry. Call worry be. Why? Now no ye nya asem a what di asasem. Me medi me ni fiasem. Di wo fiasem. What you say?
Helen.
Oh, me pesa de na dia no wo be kunye o. Me pesa de no.
I'm just trying to talk to you.
Talk to me about what? What's all become you kunasem? Me say men come you kunasem nya no ano.
Helen. Good afternoon, you know, so I'm in Simpona. I'm in
Ellen! That's what she did one more year day. Oh, come on. I didn't want to wear that to shut them up. Oh, Aboske.
Good morning. I know quite when you have room.
No one see any of messing me quite the dad. My bed almost 20 minutes in order to inside.
Relax. Be the end to us. About the old say, I won't see and so. You are 1 or 2 touch up.
What? Ellen! Oh, Sam, name quite a same thing I am in payment. The Pia opposite yet, man, because I will have.
You are one who you know when you're
Aboske. My late. Minute they
didn't want to from Mr. Maber. Young, what from Mr. Maber?
Oh, but then one away when
Let me see me home.
I was say Ben Kwan. Oh, Sam Niema Basabasano was a sensei Hannah Memphis. Oh, yeah, let me complain. Yes, me Pecasa.
Will be Piana with the who will be out of Piana with the
Maybe young queen. I was there. Me no, ko baby did that. Then you man, catch us saying, "Baby, shit, yabo." My bed not almost 20 minutes. Put your posted the oye. I was saying, "Yen James one." And Ellen, the dad must catch us here, Piaco baby. My bed now, from my can we inside, me Pierre thinking, say, Obek can't want Baba, my bed in 30 minutes, my friend.
Now, 30 minutes, we are down there more.
With the
old But I'm asked stupid question with them here. Who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, go away!
Go away!
Check. That may you at your and young one. No, what for my who Russian is an missus and Mrs. and where we are. And now we are say one counter inside. Now come and find a cat, maybe what you wow. I don't say.
So how long are you going to endure this? One more thing. You can't cry a sweat. Look at the way you're looking. Bema, we at it. No, but I saw everything. And if you say, if I'm happy about it, will I be concerned like this? Will I be worried about this?
Then why are you worried? What problem is there? What problem is there? What problem is there? When so we are my biggest problem.
How?
Move back. You have pet. And I'm a problem. Yeah, double. Aden, why can't you let me be? Aden. Who said me what problem? Who me a chairman press Aden? What back close up and yeah, double me strong. Me press Aden.
Bonnie Ben, and I'm media yo, and I'm Bonnie Ben, and I'm not media. It seems you harbor so much animosity be against me. Do you think I can sit there unconcerned? I'm sure never be at all.
I'm so what's necessary.
It will be pewasem. The pewasem, it's in a wasem yammy and kawasem.
And I'm Mr. Mem Pemasem, Mamma Masamu Yow. Mamma Masamu Yow, ne day, ne day, some men come asem. Ne day, ne day.
Councillor Lutros. Councillor Lutros.
Look at
Hi, mister. What do you get from gossip? See, when you talk about somebody's matter, what do you get from that?
What do you also get from gossip?
See who is talking.
I
came to him.
And am I talking to you?
I am talking to you. If you're not talking to me, I am talking to you. When you talk about somebody's problem, what do you get?
Hey, I don't know what is wrong with you. You don't have an iota of respect. You could just wake up and come in anytime and just talk to me anyhow you want. Or is it because I'm quiet?
Let me tell you one thing. This is somebody's wife that you're talking to like that.
Is she your wife? Is she your wife?
She's not my wife. She's my neighbor's wife. So I
how
have
does
the right.
that concern you?
Hey. But what then?
I have to be concerned.
Concerned about what?
What are you doing here?
So is it not the same people's matter you are talking about?
Let me tell you one thing. It is better you go away from here before the tiger comes back.
And let me tell you one thing. I will not stop today or tomorrow. I can never sit down and watch something go wrong with her.
Good.
And that's the truth, Ellen. If I see it 1,000 times, I'll say it 1,000 times.
Somebody's wife. Who sent you?
Do I have anything to do with her?
Let me deal with him. With her. Move from this house.
You
move
want to,
from this house before you see the bad side of me. Move.
Hey.
You want to do?
Yes, mister. Look at. He's talking. You are running.
You have to be careful.
Running a joke.
Be careful.
You are running.
Why free men is
This should be the last time I'll be talking to anybody for that matter that you come in
and do what?
and question me.
Don't do that in my presence. If you do it in my presence, I will come.
What is wrong with you?
I'm telling you. If you do that in my presence, I will come. Mr. Allen, sorry. Let me go.
How long have you been living with this thing?
Hey, mister, don't call me Tin.
Go India. Come back to India. Go back to India.
Allen, why are you doing this?
Me say go back to India.
I am concerned about you.
Concerned
So
about me.
am I also not concerned about her that you are complaining?
Keep quiet. Let's go.
Hey.
Keep quiet over there. Keep quiet. Mr. Allen,
This guy does not have respect.
I respect you. You understand? And if your safety
Go.
is my what? Let's go.
Did you hear her say?
Good. Now let's go.
Ellen, that's not so come.
Go.
You,
Yes, me.
I've not seen the last of
I
you.
spoil things. Me. You don't know me.
And Ellen, like I said, I'll come back.
Good. Messiah, go and come back. We'll be waiting for you here. You talk about people's matter like that.
What free men? Hey. It's way for when you come to India or don't show any other any person, huh?
Then you watch. You have to. My own is done.
Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. Yeah, time money no day you day my bad.
Let me just call that lodge a complaint to him that we don't respect him in the house. After all the respect and obedience we give you here, we still don't appreciate.
Madam, you are talking to me. Madam. Madam.
Hey. If care is not taken on your side, what I will do to you, you are never going to like it. Trust me. Are you okay? Are both of you okay? Are you sound? Are you being reasonable right now? I lodged a complaint to that and hey. Minimi kunu kasano. Wo bisa me se bibi aboko na bibi anya boko me twan draw.
Have you lodged a complaint about you to me?
Feel free. Don't have his number.
We respect you a lot. I don't know the reason why you are doing this.
Okay. I think it's time I tell both of you how money comes into this house. Listen, the money we spend in this house, your fees, electricity, water, mostly doesn't come from your dad. It comes from me. You can call him and confirm.
Our dad?
Yes! Call him and confirm. Who about that busy? Wait, I'm going to papa with them. What papa with them? Bisa who say for the past 10 years, now, me bear fear no 2 kind of baby 1 2 baby. What baby?
Say me papa here Juma dey aba be hwe nyina.
Juma ne em break. Juma be na break time ni.
Me papa ofre me ni me din komo say okoboko ye adwuma. Say na we o say this can no ma ibi.
Okay. Any news flash. What for them? I am money loan ya my action.
Yes you. Me papa.
Ai. Enti no na me catch am say fie we. What the worry me because when him say so now me ti ha me twen no na me ntwem fa bu no. My yard the fie what the worry me. Enti no say muye mistake am pam. Meme
We can choose to mafia in this house. I swear or lie. Bro.
What the me go?
I swear. Don't try to touch him. Don't try to touch him. Don't try to touch him. You don't give us nothing. You don't respect us. You don't respect us. You don't give us nothing. When we talk about it, then you start acting some way. Stop behaving that way.
So
you're not our mom.
I can never be your mom.
Yes, you can never be, but you have to respect us.
Respect
is reciprocal.
As what?
If you don't know.
As what? Respect as what?
Then you go and snitch us to our father. Now you want to disown us.
Okay.
Then you take the house, all because of property.
Don't worry. This whole conversation is recorded.
What?
Right now.
Send it. We will spoil the phone. No. By you. What evidence?
Hey!
You will spoil the phone. If you like, send the video. Send the video.
I
swear you will spoil this phone.
Maybe I'm too often.
What will you do? Bro, go.
Hey!
You can't do anything.
Hey! I'm giving you 5 seconds.
That's right.
One phone
now. Send any video.
I swear, police will have it. 1, 2, 3.
When our own father, he won't make the puppy
4. Hey! Better. What? Mama. Me patrol me mana strategy. Cecia, patrol mo me phone.
Onyana sendie. Tell me you me kwa me go kwa me tiate. Tell me kwa to boni wo tu.
Ada makuni para.
Wo si obi okuni pa wo si akaida. He na wo san na wo tie.
My day.
Nti semfu asapo di a wo tan na chintie e ma wo. Asapo hu nyansa wo yonko a wo ne nenam. Wo hu asapo so le no odi semfu hwe oba wo ne nete. Wo ba we wuni model na odo nete. Enyo ba akepo a. Wuni mo ba akro. No wanya oba kama si na wo ne nete. Hu nyansa na oba ne ntena. Wo akra no to a odi echi nso a. Wo scammer na wa adwe mu do kakra na oba white nipa no. Wo to le ne jimie e na wudi na chi. E na hu nyansa ntu no fu se. Ne oba ho den. Ade no ho e den. Ntu munye bi na wo da ho a. Uso mu ye.
Wo ka akoti se.
Me ka ko ti se to support.
Sese.
No njai to wo tete oba no.
Na ganu nim do ye.
Den wo ye.
Ganu nim do ye.
Den wo ye.
Ombu she. Sa ganu.
Enam kakra wonye di.
Wo ka de, wo ka wo ka si, wo ka je.
Je obua. Support no sha se ABC ya wo endi ni. ABC so kan ya CZ. Nyansa 24. Me de fa so na support no obi am ni di agoro.
Asa. Bueno, me odidi ma video. To odidi ma mi video. O se me kanechi.
To odi se fu bia na odi.
Me die. Na ma kanechi o be za to ma di.
Enya ofo. E se odi na chi won se wo ye se de bo to. Wo ka won na ma na wo mubu se de. Bibia se afro no. Kakra bia na wo mubu. Wo shabo.
Ke na ka se no oni age papa. Oni age papa.
Una uni
nyansa. Oba ku ka we no wa ka.
Me ne ya na ha me ne se. Oba ni na me nim ne ha no. Odo ya na odom na emu odu na nye sa anka sa fodi se mfu na oda so tia wa
ono na pe
man hunyansa ne tunifo
ono na pe
hunyansa na me lokiti ne minia ba enyim nia ba kwa na wo de wi aya no support ne ketekete udi se mfu
na wa na ni nia ba no na ko
na wo nua na obehwa mata
ko ibo na to ma mi video
ntu obehwa ma odi nkwa asem
se ya de na nkalipo na to ma udi a kwa obehu de wo
da bi mi
kwa obehu
mene sa poko hwini we me na antip sa adu papa bi eni ntim mene na antip on support mo odi nsemfo na me koka che na onti asa
nya me na nya afuna me beto odufo wo no nim nyansa so beto
ne na ma afro tufu me do wa wajita akutu ne de
na this time you to odufo asa wa otu anu afa ho age se ade wo ye yenye
wo sa ebi ne nkwati atem bi ankofo bi ne me ndi me do nya me krache aya na akwa ete oni mai
kunkumo
mi do nyame baba eno ano no say na o street no so mi do nyame democracy you are mo do ya he onia mo ya he
onchi mo bi
ara ogbo ya no wutu akọ space na wo koi
Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Yeah. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. No. Yeah, yeah, the time money no day you day my back, you know if you complain. Yeah. So I didn't come pay my bride price.